How to crop video in CapCut. First, open CapCut. And once you're in CapCut, what you have to do is just basically open the video or open the project that has the video in it that you want to crop. So for me, this is the video. So here, as you can see, so what I'm gonna do is basically crop it. What you have to do first of all is just press on the video on your timeline. And once you press on it, you will be able to see all the underlines. But yeah, you just have to keep scrolling until you see the option of edit. So you just gotta move until you see any option, just like this. Let's see. I think they changed the name from edit to transform. So yeah, let's just go to transform, and here, as you can see, that we get to see three options right over here. First one's called mirror, rotate, and resize. Just go ahead and press on resize, and here you will be able to crop your video however would you like to. So you can change the aspect ratio of the videos and whatever you would like to. So I'm just gonna go with normal aspect ratio, but I'm just gonna crop this from here, just like that. I cropped this part just for an example, and if I move the video here, as you can see, it's cropped. And if I want to go that side, I just basically zoom into that side, and here we go. If I press done here, as you can see, I basically cropped the whole video. And yeah, so yeah, this is as easy it is on how you can crop video in CapCut. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like and goodbye.